Hello dear students, welcome back to CSCE tutorial. In this video of class 8, you will learn the chapter Metals and Non-Metals. Extra question answer. Very short question answers of this chapter will be covered in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to CSCE tutorial for more such videos. First question is, what is the general name of the element whose properties are intermediate between those of metals and non-metals? Its answer is metalloids. Second question, name the property which enables metals to be drawn into wires. Now you have to name that property which enables that metals can be drawn into wire. Its answer is ductility. Ductility is the property which enables metals to be drawn into wires. Third, name the property which allows metals to be hammered into thin sheets. Now you have to name that property through which you can hammer the metal into thin sheets. It is malleability. Malleability is a property with which metals can be hammered into thin sheets. Fourth, name one metal which exists liquid at room temperature. Now you have to give the name of that metal which is liquid at room temperature. Its answer is mercury. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Fifth, name one non-metal which exists liquid at room temperature. Now you have to give the name of one non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. Its answer is bromine. Bromine is liquid at room temperature. Sixth, due to which property of metal, if a metal coin is dropped on a hard surface, it produces a ringing sound. मेटल की ऐसी कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से कि अगर मेटल की कोई चीज गिर जाती है तो वो साउंड प्रोड्यूस करती है? इट इज सोनोरस. सेवेंथ, नेम द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ आयरन मेटल टू विच इट कैन बी हैमर्ड टू मेक ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप्स. इट्स आंसर इज malleability. Malleability is that property with which metals can be hammered into thin sheets or any shape. Name a non-metal which is very hard. अब आपको एक non-metal का नाम बताना है जो कि बहुत hard होता है. Hardest metal है, non-metal है. Its answer is diamond. Diamond is a hardest non-metal. Ninth, name a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. अब आपको एक ऐसे non-metal का नाम बताना है जो कि good conductor of electricity है. Its answer is graphite. Graphite is a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. 10th, name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with water. Now you have to give the name of that gas. Its answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the gas which is evolved when a metal reacts with water. 11th is, name the gas evolved when a metal reacts with a dilute acid. Now you have to give the name of that gas which is evolved when a metal reacts with dilute acid. Its answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is evolved when a metal reacts with dilute acid. 12th, name one metal which reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Its answer is zinc. 13th, name one metal which does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Its answer is copper. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. 14th, Name two metals which are used for making cooking utensils and water boilers for factories. Now you have to give the name of those two metals. Its answer is copper and iron. 15th is name two metals which are used for making electric wires. Now you have to give the name of two metals which are used for making electric wires. Its answer is copper and aluminium. Copper and aluminium are used for making electric wires. 16th is name the metal which is used in making thermometer. Its answer is mercury. Mercury is the metal which is used in making thermometer. 17th, name the metal which is used to galvanize iron and to protect it from rusting. Now you have to give the name of that metal which is used to galvanize iron. Its answer is zinc. Zinc is used to galvanize iron and protect it from rusting. 18th, name the metal which is used to make thin foils for packing medicine, chocolates and food items. Its answer is aluminium. Aluminium is used to make thin foils for packing of medicines, chocolates and food items. 19th, name two metals which are used to make jewelry. Now you have to give the name of two metals which are used to make jewelry. Silver and gold. Its answer is silver and gold are used to make jewelry. 20th, name the non-metal which is essential for maintaining life and inhaled during breathing. Its answer is oxygen. Oxygen is that non-metal which is essential for maintaining life and inhaled during breathing. 21. Name one non-metal which is used for making fertilizers. Fertilizers बनाने के लिए कौन सा non-metal यूज होता है? इसका आंसर है phosphorus. Phosphorus is used for making fertilizers. 22nd, which non-metal is used in water purification process to make drinking water germ-free? Its answer is chlorine. Chlorine is used for water purification process to make drinking water germ-free. 23rd, name two non-metals which are used in fireworks. अब आपको दो नॉन मेटल्स के नाम बताने हैं जो पटाखों में आतिशबाजी में यूज होते हैं. इसका आंसर है सल्फर एंड फॉस्फोरस. सल्फर और फॉस्फोरस जो हैं वो पटाखे बनाने में यूज होते हैं. 24th, विच नॉन मेटल इज यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल. कौन सा नॉन मेटल एक फ्यूल के तौर पे यूज होता है? इसका आंसर है कार्बन. कार्बन इज अ नॉन मेटल विच इज यूज्ड एज अ फ्यूल, यानी कि ईंधन के रूप में इसको यूज किया जाता है. 25th, नेम द प्रॉपर्टी ड्यू टू विच मेटल्स शाइन. आपको उस प्रॉपर्टी का नाम बताना है जिसके कारण मेटल्स में शाइन होती है. इसका आंसर है लस्टर. लस्टर इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ड्यू टू विच मेटल्स शाइन. 26th, नेम वन नॉन मेटल विच इज लस्टीरियस. जनरली जो नॉन मेटल हैं उनमें लस्टर नहीं होती है. सो इट्स आंसर इज आयोडीन. आयोडीन इज अ लस्टीरियस नॉन मेटल. 27th, name two metals which do not react with oxygen even at high temperatures. दो मेटल्स के नाम बताने हैं जो ऑक्सीजन के साथ हाई टेम्परेचर पे भी रिएक्ट नहीं करते. आंसर है गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. 28th, which metal is generally used for making a swing needle. कौन सा मेटल जो है वो स्विंग नीडल को बनाने के लिए ज़्यादातर यूज होता है? Its answer is iron. Iron is generally used for making a swing needle. 29th, which metal is used for making the filament of a bulb. कौन सा मेटल यूज होता है बल्ब के फिलामेंट बनाने के लिए? इसका आंसर है टंगस्टन. Tungsten is used for making the filament of a bulb. 30th, name two major non-metals which are present in fertilizers and enhance the growth of plants. Its answer is nitrogen and phosphorus are present in fertilizers and enhance the growth of plants. 32. Name two soft metals which can be cut with a knife. दो सॉफ्ट मेटल्स के नाम बताने हैं जिनको नाइफ से कट कर सकते हैं. इट्स आंसर इज सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. These are the two soft metals which can be cut with a knife. 33. Which non-metal is used to disinfect water? कौन सा non-metal जो है वो water को disinfect करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है? Its answer is chlorine. Chlorine is used to disinfect water. 34. A purple colored non-metal forms a brown solution in alcohol which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. Name the non-metal. Its answer is iodine. 35th. In which liquid sodium and potassium are kept? सोडियम और पोटेशियम किस में रखे जाते हैं? Its answer is kerosene oil. Sodium and potassium are kept in kerosene oil. 36. Which metal is used as thin film on sweets? कौन सा मेटल यूज होता है मिठाइयों के ऊपर एक पतली सी फिल्म के लिए? इट्स आंसर इज सिल्वर, जिसको हिंदी में चांदी का वर्क भी कहा जाता है. 37. Why is graphite used as an electrode in batteries? Its answer is because graphite is a good conductor of electricity. 38. Name a metal which cannot displace hydrogen from dilute acid. Its answer is silver. 39. What happens when magnesium is burnt in air? Its answer is magnesium burns with a white dazzling flame and a white powdery magnesium oxide is formed. 40th. Which metal is used in processed food packing? Its answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a metal which is used in processed food packaging. Thanks for watching, dear students. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to CSCE tutorial for more such videos. Write in the comment section कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी.